Want to make your bike stand out without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into DIY motorcycle customizations that are easy on the wallet and bring your bike to life. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, customizing your motorcycle doesn't have to cost a fortune. In fact, you can make big changes with just a few budget-friendly mods. Let's jump right into the first one. Let's talk mirrors, not the kind you check your hair in. Motorcycle mirrors, they're a chance to add some real personality to your ride. Swapping out those stock mirrors for something with a little more you is easier than you might think. Bar-end mirrors, for example, can give your bike that aggressive, sporty look. Plus, they can actually improve aerodynamics. Choosing the right mirrors is about safety too. You want mirrors that give you a wide field of view so you can see what's happening all around you. Trust me, good mirrors can be a lifesaver, especially in heavy traffic. Before you install those shiny new mirrors, make sure they're adjusted correctly. Safety first, style second. Let's be real, the stock seat on a lot of bikes, not exactly designed for long-haul comfort, but you know what is? A custom seat. This is one upgrade where you're really going to feel the difference. There are tons of aftermarket seats out there, all shapes and sizes. You can go with something sleek and sporty or something plush and comfortable for those longer rides. And the materials, leather, vinyl, even fancy stuff like gel padding. But hey, if you're feeling really adventurous, why not try a hand at modifying your existing seat? A little bit of high-density foam and some basic upholstery skills can go a long way. You can even add some custom stitching or embroidery to really make it your own. Remember, a comfortable rider is a happy rider. So, invest in your comfort, you won't regret it. This next customization is cheap, easy, and might just save your life. We're talking about reflective tape. It's like adding a personal safety beacon to your ride. And it looks pretty darn cool too. Reflective tape comes in all sorts of colors and patterns. You can get creative with it. Outline your bike's frame, add some stripes to your wheels, even put some around your license plate. The point is, when light hits that tape, it reflects right back at the source. That means drivers will see you coming even in low light conditions. But make sure you're getting the good stuff, the kind that's specifically designed for outdoor use and can withstand the elements. Let's talk about something that's in constant contact with your bike, your grips. Those little rubber things might not seem like much, but they make a world of difference in how your bike feels and handles. Now, stock grips, they're fine, but custom grips, they're where it's at. They can drastically improve your comfort, especially on those longer rides. You can get grips made from all sorts of materials, soft rubber, grippy foam, even heated grips for those chilly morning rides. Beyond comfort and style, custom grips can actually improve your control of the bike. Grips with a bit more texture can give you a better hold, especially in wet conditions. Let's talk about cleaning up your bike's rear end. I'm talking about ditching that bulky stock fender with a fender eliminator kit. This is one of those mods that can totally transform the look of your bike, giving it a much more streamlined, sporty aesthetic. And it's not just about looks. Removing the fender can actually reduce a little bit of weight, which can slightly improve your bike's handling and performance. Plus, a fender eliminator kit can make your bike easier to clean. But make sure you check your local laws and regulations before you go ripping off your fender. Some places require a fender of a certain size, so you want to make sure you're not going to get pulled over every 5 minutes. This final customization is for all you creative types out there. We're talking about decals and stickers. It's amazing how such a small detail can completely change the look and feel of your motorcycle. Whether you want to add a custom logo, a funny quote, or just some cool graphics, decals are a great way to let your personality shine through. You can go with pre-made designs or even get custom ones made. Decals aren't just for decoration. They can actually protect your bike's paint job from minor scratches and chips. But placement is key. Take your time, plan it out, and make sure you're happy with the placement before you stick them on. Once they're on, they can be a bit of a pain to remove. So there you have it, 6 DIY customizations that you can do without emptying your wallet. But wait, I want to hear from you. What mods have you done to your bike, or what customizations are you dreaming of doing? Drop a comment below and let's share ideas. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips useful and subscribe for more motorcycle DIYs. Until next time, ride safe and keep customizing.